Hey, what's going on, boss people, chicks, and all you nail fanatics out there? Coming to you live from Divinity Nail Studio. We're going to take a look at the new MAKARTT Snatch'd Collection. It's a 4-color nail extension gel kit. I believe you guys know that as Polygel. So let's take a look in here and see what we got. Some nice packaging. Let's get into this. I don't know anything about this. I was just asked to unbox some nail stuff. So I'm going to unbox some nail stuff for y'all. Going into this kit, we have a few things. Ooh, some goodies. Some goodies. Ooh, what else is in there? Okay, we're getting started, guys. Nail extension gel. Stickers. Look at those. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, ooh, Christmas stickers. These gonna be dope. Yeah, I know the wife gonna do some really, really hot things with these, so get ready for them Christmas nails coming soon. All right. Get a 100, 180 grit professional washable file. Yeah, no, it's probably not gonna get washed. Probably get used and then thrown away. What else comes in here? Looks like a brush, some type of application brush. Pretty neat. And a spackle. That looks like a spackle. But yeah, okay, so you got a spackle on one end and then you got a brush on the other for all that cool like polygel stuff y'all be doing. And then, so it comes with your MAKARTT top coat, that right there. And got your base coat right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a soak off UV gel base coat. That's what it say. I don't know why I'm reading it, but I'm reading it. Let's see. We got the contour gel. We have blended. Y'all see that? Yeah. And let's see. Highlighter. There's a highlighter on there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Then what's this? Bronzer. That's a bronzer. Whatever that means. So, like I said, there's some extra goodies in this package. We got some dual forms. So y'all know how to use them. They got the little lines on them too, so y'all can measure. Let's see, let's get in here. Take a look. Man, y'all. Hey, man, for real? Oh, it's real secure. Nah, y'all don't. Yeah. So it was really easier. That was like this whole part like wasn't stuck, like right there. So then y'all got some dual forms in here. All these sizes, they got the little spaces, you know, you see that in the line and stuff. Yeah, I don't know. That's a number 3. All right, so we're gonna take a look at some of these colors. We're gonna look at the contour first. All right, then we're gonna look at the blended. Then we got the highlighter. That's got sparklies in it. I know a lot of you people like sparklies on your nails. Every doggone nail video I see is sparkling. Somebody shining, somebody shimmering. So there's your shine and your shimmer right there. Last one, which is the bronzer, also sparkly as well. That is our 4 polygel colors that come in this kit by MAKARTT. And continuing on with the new MAKARTT collections that are coming out, we're gonna look at the next collection in this bundle, and that is Blushed. and that's another 4-color polygel kit. So let's get into it. All right, let's take off the little ribbon here. Let's get into this box. Now they're gonna have some more goodies in here. So let's pull it out. What do we got? And our blush collection, of course, another, y'all see these. They come with every one. And then we've got some more, oh, these are more Christmassy. We've got some more stencils in here. These are not really Christmas colors, but definitely gonna be festive for the holidays. I like the neon pink. I can't wait to see what the wife does with these. Got some Merry Christmas. We've got some Frosty the Snowman, Santa Claus, some reindeer, ornaments, stars, all that good stuff, Christmas trees, you know, holiday season. Another 100-180 grit professional washable file. Another applicator brush, of course, brush side. And this is gonna be, again, spackle. I'm definitely gonna be taking one of these. So, taking a look at what we've got here, of course, our MAKARTT top coat and base coat, UV gel base coat and top coat there. We got those, set those off to the side. And then taking a look at the first color we've got is the Kiki. Do you love me? Is you riding? You know what I'm saying? We got that. Then we got the glow. All right. The cheeky. Ooh, getting a little cheeky. All right. And then we got the rosy. Rose. It's just rosy. Rosy. All right, so we're going to get these down on some paper. And, of course, the MAKARTT dual forms. Boom, boom. Wow. All right. Let's take a look. Right, open these up. So, y'all saw all the beautiful, nice, fun colorways. Then we got just the basic white snowflakes and angels and all that good stuff. Got these all laid out. We got the glow. That's the first one. Looks like a basic white. Just a basic white. We checked. Does not glow. Then we got the second one, that Kiki that we were talking about here. It's a nice pink color. I feel like the next one, which is the cheeky, that is more pink. Maybe like a baby pink. I'm not sure. I don't know my hues of pink, like I said. And then like one on the end that's like a pale pink. It all look pink to me. But that last one is the rosy. So I guess it's a rosy pink. But they're nice. You got that nice like straight white one there at the beginning. And then these different hues of pink here for the blushed collection. As you can see, we've got both kits. We've got the blushed, we've got the snatched. Each kit comes with a brush, a file, top coat, base coat, 4 polygels, and 2 stickers. You've got all this stuff in each kit to create, design, do whatever it is that you need to do to make this holiday season, I guess, fabulous for you nail people. So check it out, and don't forget to use the product code Nail by Faith. That's gonna be all for this video, boss chicks, and as always, stay safe, be healthy, and be blessed.